Hello, welcome to Digital Goliath's SEO tips page. This video will go over using AI to help you keep your blog up to date and make it a bit less tedious for site owners to maintain. Now, we also offer a blog management service as well. Let us know if you're interested in that. Now, on to our subject. Have you ever had a moment where you're staring at a blank screen, the cursor blinking at you, just daring you to write something, anything, but you're drawing a complete blank? Well, you're not alone. Writer's block is a common struggle that many content creators face. But what if there was a way to overcome this hurdle? What if the answer lay in artificial intelligence? In recent years, AI has made significant strides in many fields, and content creation is no exception. Today, we'll walk you through how to harness the power of AI to create engaging, well-written content for your blog. Start by identifying your needs. Are you looking for an AI to help with brainstorming and idea generation? Or perhaps you need assistance with editing and proofreading? There are many AI tools out there, each with its own strengths, so it's important to know what you need before diving in. Once you've identified your needs, it's time to choose your tool. Some popular AI writing tools include Jarvis, Copy AI, and WriteSonic. These platforms use machine learning to generate human-like text based on your input. They can create blog posts, social media posts, ads, and more. Next, familiarize yourself with the tool. Spend some time exploring its features. Most AI writing tools have a user-friendly interface and offer tutorials to help you get started. Now, it's time to start creating. Begin with a clear prompt. The more detailed your prompt, the better results you'll get. For instance, instead of saying, write a blog post about dogs, you could say, write a 500-word blog post on the benefits of adopting senior dogs. Once you have your text, don't just publish it right away. Use the AI tool to edit and refine your content. Remember, AI is a tool to assist you, not replace you. It can generate ideas and write drafts, but the final touches should always be yours. Lastly, always review your content for accuracy. AI is intelligent, but it's not infallible. It can make mistakes, especially when it comes to complex topics or nuanced language. So always double-check your content before publishing. To sum up, AI can be a game changer for content creation. It can help you overcome writer's block, generate ideas, write drafts, and even assist with editing. However, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity and insight. Always review and refine the content it produces to ensure it aligns with your voice and message. So the next time you're faced with that blinking cursor, remember you have a secret weapon in your arsenal: artificial intelligence. And with the steps outlined today, you're well on your way to mastering AI-powered content creation.